Bang.
Yes!
Wow.
And nobody moves.
Someone crosses the line.
No, nobody moves.
I don't know how to go right at the back here, look. Is it Frank?
Get out the way.
That's
I'm
two
coming
through. Three
Who's
through.
last? Who's last?
You're not supposed to be there, Eddie.
Right?
You're not meant to be there, Eddie.
I'm
You're
done.
last.
Oh. You might get it this time. The wind stopped again.
Yeah.
Okay, Eddie, you can go now. Look.
Right. Here we go.
Just fire them two jet rockets up, will you?
I just pray there's not much wind there for you.
Yeah. Frank's first. I don't. Who's this? Dave, is it?
Yeah, I'll take second place.
Dave second.
That was hard work, Frank.
It was indeed. And he's going to nip in on your tape.
Randy. Ted.
Well done, Ted.
Pete.
Well done, Ted.
Is that Pete?
Yeah.
Ted and then Pete.
John. It looks like Eddie coming up.
JP next, was it?
Yeah, then Eddie.